Many view motor graders as simply machines of power and precision, making it hard to imagine them equipped with cutting-edge technology and advanced electronic engine control systems. In this video, we introduce you to a range of powerful motor graders featuring intuitive technology and next-generation electronic control systems. SDLG G9220. This is a well-balanced motor grader equipped with a 164-kilowatt electronically controlled Deutz engine, variable power, and 3 power curves capable of making the smoothest grade on any surface with reduced fuel consumption. With an operating weight of about 16.5 tons and a 4.267-meter moldboard width, coupled with an intuitive SDLG tandem, the SDLG G9220 is versatile enough to be used in various road maintenance and construction projects. This motor grader's superiority over its contemporaries is its unique SDLG dual-gear drive system. This system uses direct-acting hydraulic power and 2 hardened drive pinions for exceptional turning and holding capability under full load. Dormashina DM14. This Russian-made Dormashina DM14 motor grader deserves special mention for its durability and reliability, most especially in harsh climates and terrain. This is evident in its highly powerful 350 horsepower engine capacity and 3,660 millimeter blade length that's designed for blading and leveling road-based surfaces and embankment areas, scraping slopes, and moving soil and gravel. As part of its intuitive design, this motor grader also has a front 2,530 millimeter dozer blade attachment, which includes the traditional grader blade, indicating its versatility and increased productivity. XCMG GR5505T Pro. Introducing the XCMG GR5505T Pro. This model stands as the beacon of precision among the world's motor graders with its sturdy motor grader blade pitch and exceptional 600 horsepower, 2,806 D18T engine capacity. Weighing a whopping 163,142 pounds and with a 7.3 millimeter blade width, the machine exudes power up to 447 RPM and provides a traction force of about 390 kilonewtons for optimum performance in heavy-duty operations such as open-pit mines, landform finishing, and other high-loading conditions. The GR5505T Pro was manufactured in May 2020 by the coalition of XCMG and Rio Tinto. It represents the highest technical level with double hand control technology and self-adaptive matching technology that reduces operator fatigue and adjusts the grader's settings based on terrain and operational conditions. Komatsu GD655E-6. With its long wheelbase and dual-mode transmission, the Komatsu GD655E-6 is widely regarded as the face of the new generation of Komatsu motor graders. The GD655E-6, like its sister model, features a new SAA6 D107E3 EPA Tier 4 final emission compliance 218 horsepower engine, characterized by high tractive effort and providing ample power for demanding tasks at a low fuel consumption ratio. Despite its large operating weight of about 41,667 pounds and a 14-inch blade length, the GD655E-6 is highly optimizable and cedes utmost control to the operator to achieve fine grading performance and body stability while maintaining a 24.2-foot turning radius. SEM919. The SEM919 motor grader is a reliable, operator-friendly, and efficient motor grader that falls into the category of new-age motor graders. Its electro-hydraulic control center shift pin and blade linkage provide ample blade reach and fast positioning. Equipped with a 190 horsepower SDEC Shanghai diesel engine, the SEM919 motor grader has a 30-degree gradability, making it well-suited for leveling performance, fine grading, earth moving, slope grading, or digging a ditch. The machine features a spacious, large cab that includes a multifunction control with a short throw lever that reduces operator fatigue. In the same vein, there is also a high-performance dashboard with a 3-level alarming monitoring system that ensures operators can see the blade and front axles while operating. As we've seen, these massive machines are laden with jaw-dropping specs that are a testament to human ingenuity. Let us know in the comments what you think of these amazing machines. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.